We're on Ubuntu 25.10, Questing Quokka, and if you try installing Neofetch through apt, it simply doesn't exist anymore in the default repositories. You'll see that familiar error message saying unable to locate package Neofetch. No need to worry, we'll install Neofetch from its source code on GitHub. It only takes a few quick commands. Start by updating your package index. This makes sure your system knows about the latest available software. Once updated, we need the tools that let us build things directly from source, Git and Make. These allow us to download Neofetch's code and then compile it into a working program. After the installation of Git and Make finishes, we're ready to grab the source code. Now clone the Neofetch GitHub repository using the command shown on your screen. In a moment, the full project folder will appear inside your home directory. Go ahead and move into that folder. Everything we need to build Neofetch is already here. Run the make install command with sudo. This will compile the tool and place it in the right spot on your system so you can run it anywhere. When the installation completes, type Neofetch and hit enter. A beautiful system info display pops up instantly. Your OS, kernel, desktop environment, CPU, GPU, RAM, all nicely presented. You have successfully installed Neofetch from source on Ubuntu 25.10. If anytime you want to remove it, that's also easy. A single command will uninstall Neofetch cleanly and remove it from your system. That's it. Neofetch is now working smoothly on Questing Quokka. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which tools you'd like to see next. See you in the next tutorial.